think when God said to Adam and Eve to not eat from the fruit because they were no good and bad, I think what it meant it was that in God's perspective, God's life, God's way, God's universe, there is only good. For example, animals, they don't see good and bad. Everything that happens, it just happens. It's good. If you believe in God, everything that happens, it's good. It has its purpose. If you believe in nature, in universe, everything that happens, it has its purpose. It's good for the good of the whole. But when man eaten from the fruit of knowing good and bad, he started to think that this is good, this is bad. So he lost the belief in God, let's say. If you believe in God, everything is good. And everything will be good.